So guys, I buy two. One is for $4 and she gave me a peanut drops. How sweet is that? Yay!
That is
Yeah.
vegan carrot tortillas. Yes.
Jamaican tacos. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Hope you guys are doing fabulous today. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospective subscribers. Big up on a nice clean self, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay?
They're carrying another bag in their arm.
So guys, yeah, come on around on this side. So it actually looks like the food tents are out. To go. Alright guys, so the food tents are out. So when you see Jamaican flag, you know what say. How with that? Alright. This is what they're cooking today. Remember I told you that they have food around here. Let's see. Let's see.
Sounds good.
Actually, two Jamaican taco. Jamaica making tacos. Vietnamese coffee. Yeah. Jamaican tacos. Hi. You only take cash? Okay, you'll be back tomorrow? Will you be back tomorrow?
No, we'll be back September 4th.
Okay.
That'll be our last day here.
Okay. Alright.
And then we'll be in Prospect Park September 6th.
Prospect.
Sunday.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'm actually vlogging, okay? So guys, they sold out tacos. Yeah guys, so that was the tacos, Jamaican tacos, but they sold out, so let us see what else we can get. Right, fix my car. Brazilian street food. Brazilian street food right there. And red oak lobster, £5. Yeah. Jamaican sandwich pockets. Really? This is not Jamaican. I don't think it's Jamaican. You're done? That's even the flag. And you said Jamaican. I could see. What I wanted is sold out, so.
Yo, I have the little brown.
The back of the trade center. So guys, I can't see me no go for no one good view. We're gonna come to New York, the World Trade Center and everything. Yeah. Guys, look at the beauty. I'm not lie. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Guys, if you never know me further, I get afraid. Bad. Right now I feel like I want to run on fire stuff. Oh, my further eye. Anyways. Yeah. It's nice. I was over there just now. Tomorrow I take a picture of that. Guys, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay. Every day I find something fascinating about this building. The view is out of this world. Every day I find something fascinating about the World Trade Center. There's something special about this. I'm falling in love with this every day. Today I'm taking you on the train with me. They want to come on the train. Another little trade show. Hey, hi. So, you only take cash? So where's the coconut drops? Right here. Okay, I have to buy something. So guys, I can video, right? Alright, so yay. Alright. So see, nice Jamaican done iron flavor. And she has, this is what is this?
Cinnamon bun.
Coconut cinnamon bun, coconut drops, gizzarda. This is peanut, right? Peanut cake.
Drops.
Peanut drops.
Yes. And this is the vegan carrot torte.
Okay, so how much is the coconut drops?
$4.
$4. I'm gonna want one of that. Let me show you, babe. Straight out of yard. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is
Uh-huh.
Ayat Flavor.
I had flavor. Okay, you're online? Okay.
Well,
And
on
it's
TikTok.
on TikTok. So you sell from TikTok?
Huh?
You sell from TikTok?
You sell, yes, it's free.
Yeah, but that's where you're supposed to go. Okay.
When I get my everyone in my spot, because I'm working on it right now.
Okay.
When I get my own bakery life, I
Okay. So guys, come, let's support the TikTok. Right? Donayad flavor. TikTok. Alright. Remember you can also call and make your orders. Yay. Alright. This is your card right here. Yeah. You're welcome. So guys, I buy two. One is for $4 and she gave me a peanut drops. How sweet is that? Yay!
That is
Yeah.
vegan carrot